Hi kindergarten, let's do our second activity sheet. You should be doing your own activity sheet, following what I say and do in this video. When you're done and you get to the teacher table, we will look at your work. Let's follow the directions. Draw 5 dogs. Our 5 dogs will be blue, and some cats. Our cats will be green. The 5 group way. The 5 group way. We'll talk about that. Okay. Draw 5 dogs. My dogs are going to be blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 group way. This is our group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All in a line, all in a group. And some cats. My cats are going to be green circles, and I choose 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. The 5 group way, there's 5 on top, there's the rest on the bottom, and they are 3. Okay, let's pause here, and you should be working on this on your activity sheet. Hi kindergarten, let's do the second step, our number bond. Okay, so our first part of our number bond is the 5 dogs. The 5 dogs in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second part of our number bond is the cats. The 3 cats in green. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have in all for our whole number? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our whole number is 8. You should be doing this on your own activity sheet. We'll look at your work when you get to the teacher table. Okay, kindergarten, let's do the third part of our activity sheet, the number sentence. Okay, let's do our 2 parts. Our first part is the 5 dogs in blue. The second part is our 3 cats in green, and our whole number is 8. We said earlier we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you should be doing this on your own activity sheet, and when you get to the teacher table, we'll look at your work.